Spanning Backup for Salesforce offers enterprise-grade data protection for your Salesforce data, including standard objects, custom objects, chatter messages, attachments, files, and metadata, and is lightning ready. Spanning Backup for Salesforce also offers Metadata Comparison. Backed up metadata can be compared against the live metadata currently in your Salesforce org or another org, or against the backed up metadata from a different backup date in the same org. Here's how it works. From the Spanning dashboard, select the Metadata tab, and then select the first backup batch that you'd like to compare. Next, choose whether you want to compare that metadata against the metadata from the same Salesforce org or a different org. If you choose to compare against the metadata from the same org, you will be able to compare it against the live metadata currently in the org or against another backup batch of your choosing. If you compare against the metadata from a different org, you will be asked to log into your chosen org, and you can then compare against the live metadata currently in that org. When ready, click Compare. The comparison process will run in the background, and you can view the progress from the Spanning dashboard. When the comparison is complete, click the Metadata Compared link from the Recent Activities section of the Spanning dashboard. All types of metadata from the two compared Salesforce orgs will be listed here, and the differences for each metadata component are summarized in the right-hand column. The components that match are displayed in black, the ones where there's a difference are displayed in orange, and those that only exist in one of the two compared orgs are displayed in red. To see more details about a specific component of metadata, expand the desired metadata type. Click a specific component of metadata, and you'll be presented with a side-by-side comparison of that metadata component from the two compared orgs. The changed or added portions will be highlighted for easy comparison. To view the entire desired metadata component, click the Export button, and that specific component of metadata will be downloaded to your local hard drive. To restore the exported metadata back into your Salesforce org, you can use the native Salesforce tools like the Force.com IDE. Comparing backed up metadata from one batch to the live metadata in another Salesforce org works exactly the same. That service is useful when new customizations have been rolled out in your Salesforce orgs, and you want to compare the metadata between your production org and a full copy sandbox. Being able to inspect and review your metadata is an important aspect of protecting your Salesforce org's customizations. Additionally, as metadata isn't available through the Salesforce weekly exports, Spanning's ability to back up and compare metadata is another way that Spanning adds value to your Salesforce environment. The best way to see how easy it is to compare your Salesforce org's metadata with Spanning is to try it. Install Spanning Backup from the App Exchange or Spanning.com to try it free for 14 days, and start doing what Salesforce recommends. Use a third-party backup to protect your org.